chow.
I could tell that the lift supports for the trunk lid on this 2009 Nissan Rogue were on their way out because of two reasons. Number one, depending on the weather, so whether it was warm or cold, sometimes the liftgate would just slowly fall. And number two, if it was parked on any sort of hill, so like this angle, the liftgate would not hold itself up. So I knew it was about time to replace these liftgate supports. Okay, so we're gonna change out the trunk struts. They actually say left for driver's side and right for passenger side are. And to take the old ones off, you can either undo these two 10mm bolts, or you can take out this spring. On the top, you're gonna have to take out the spring clamp regardless. So here we go. Okay, so I'm just going to take a flat blade screwdriver, wedge it up in there. That comes all the way off. These two 10mm. Just going to loosen them for now, because all the weight is on this. Okay. I used a pry bar to pop the upper part of the strut off. Then you're going to perform a balancing act while you hold the trunk lid with either your hand or your head as you remove the bottom half of the lift support. Install the two 10mm bolts in just past hand tight, about 5 to 7 foot-pounds. Rather than taking it all the way off, loosen the spring clamp so it's slightly lifted. Put the upper part of the lift support on its nub and use a rubber hammer or the flat of your palm to push the spring clamp back into place. Remember to test the trunk lid's operation. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe below so we can help other people find this video. I offer automotive education and consulting, so if you need help completing this job, my contact information is in the description below.